And tonight we're here to celebrate Tenny and she. Their love story is amazing and we are so excited to be a part of it tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, please continue to have fun and enjoy Lagos as it was in the 50s. Vintage Band is still here.
Are you?
More music, ladies and gentlemen.
Ètò ìgbéyàwó láyé Babalúwa ní ìfilélẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àṣẹ mi.
So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the finest couple in the world.
Ètò ìgbéyàwó láyé Babalúwa ní ìfilélẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àṣẹ mi. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder.
Who do you think is more romantic between both of them? Even the bride says she.
You are going to invite your wife. Sexy.
What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined
To
together,
Tenny and to Shay,
let no man put asunder.
thank you so much for keeping to the Lagos in the 1950s. You all look amazing. And to my wife, I love you forever and ever. I pray that God keeps us together forever and ever, and we just keep growing in love more and more. Thank you again, everybody, for coming, and yeah, let's turn up.
I'm a hot stepper, storming through the weather, high pressure, moving like a dancer, challenger, and still I do it better. The feeling is forever.